In this squash cannon drill, students try to play a defensive volley straight down the wall off a high cross court. The goal is to get the ball into the target area marked by masking tape in the back of the court. They can either use an open or a closed stance. The further back the ball is, the more likely you will use a closed stance. No matter which pattern you use, the key is that you move to the side of the ball and not getting too close. When you use an open stance, make sure you keep your upper body square to the sidewall to keep the ball straight. Here you can see a racket preparation that starts a little too late, movement that is a bit too hectic, which leads to not enough balance when hitting the ball. Think more of pushing the ball to the back, playing it high onto the front wall, rather than trying to hit it too hard, which is very difficult under pressure. The goal here is not to hit a hard, perfect length, but to get the ball into the target area in the back, keeping it away from the middle and regain the tee. Early racket preparation will help to create enough space to the ball. Timing is another crucial factor to control the ball. Here you can see the planting of the last foot is too early. And here a better example of planting the last step later, which usually means a better place. And here you can see an example of a closed stance. The problem either way though tends to be excessive movement, because the ball is difficult to judge. Because there is little time available, often two larger steps are used to cover a deep high cross court. It's always very helpful to run through the movement pattern without the ball, especially on a difficult ball like this, which is very easy to overrun. Show the direction the ball is coming off the sidewall with the space needed to be well balanced and hit a good rail. This more efficient movement, only taking 2 steps, usually helps to better control the ball. The first step is often crucial to get to the right place. In this case, it has to go more through the middle. The next step would be to learn to move to the side of the ball, to be able to hit it straight more consistently. In this example, the contact point is too far back, which forces the student to compensate. This also often leads to overstepping left foot, which makes it more difficult to recover back to the tee afterwards. Here you can see a better movement with a foot drag, helping the player to recover faster back to the tee. I want students to hit the ball higher on the front wall to make it easier to get it into the back target area. A key issue is good timing of the movement. Here you can see a typical movement that is too fast and tends to lead to a very unfavorable position. Late racket preparation makes ball control very difficult, especially in situations with little time available.